In this video, I'm going to show you how I configure my markdown headings. Notice that I have colors on each heading. I also have a line above and below each one of them, so they look bigger. I also have some symbols. These come configured by default with the plugin. Let me go down to the file so you can see the rest of the headings. Notice how they change colors. And the symbol changes here, the indentation changes. Okay, so now let me go to the file and show you where this is configured. Okay, here's the plugin. As you can see here on the left-hand side, it's this headlines.lua file. Here's a link to the plugin itself. Let me go there. Here it is. It's headlines.nvim. If you like the project, start it. And the NeoVim distro that I'm using is the one here found on the left, lazyvim. So as you can see here on the plugin itself, it already comes installed with lazyvim, but I modified the headings so they have different colors. These symbols that you see here already come installed by default, so you don't need to do anything to have those. I'm going to disable the plugin so you can see how it looks like without the colors. I'm just gonna rename this file, go back to my other file, close it, open it again, and this is how the plugin should look like by default. Now I'm just going to enable it and show you how to make changes. I'm going to rename this, save the file, go back to the other file, quit, reopen. So now I have my headings back. Here is where I change the colors. Here you can specify the background color and also the foreground color. I set all mine to white, and I change the background for each one of them. So that's up to you, whichever colors you want to use. This is what sets the colors for the code blocks. I set it to a darker color so that I can see them better. As you can see here, it's a little bit darker. And this is also what modifies the line of dashes when you add one. I set mine to white, as you can see here. Here's one. I'm going to add another one here so you can take a look. And it automatically adds it, and the color is white. You can set that to your liking. Something else that you probably would like to change is this, the fat headlines. Let me change it so you can see. And I set it to false. Reopen, and as you can see, the headings are now smaller. Going to enable it. I have the headings back. You can change the symbols that are above and below. Let me use the ones that I have below here. Just gonna comment this. And I use these two. And as you can see here, the headings are bigger now because I'm using a full block. Now let me try the other one below. Okay, this is another style. Let me change back to my original style. Okay, my headings are back to normal. And that's basically it. Those are all the things I changed. But you can go in the plugin documentation, see if there are any other options that you want to change. If you have any questions, if you have comments, suggestions, ideas, please leave them in the comments. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.